Children, as you can see in this question, it is given A and B together can do a piece of work in 15 days. If A's one-day work is 1.5 times the one-day work of B, find in how many days can each do the work. So what I have done over here, I have assumed A's one-day work as X, that means in one day it completes X work, and B's one-day work as Y, that means B completes Y work in one day. Since it is given that A and B together can do a piece of work in 15 days, that means whenever we are provided with the number of days work of any person, then the one day work done by that person will be 1 upon the total number of days. So A plus B's one day work will be 1 upon 15, because the total number of days of A and B work is already provided to us. So the one day work will be 1 upon 15. So we know the one day work of A, one day work of B, and we know the A plus B one day work. The first equation can be formed as X plus Y is equal to 1 upon 15. That will be the first equation. One day work of A plus one day work of B is equal to 1 by 15. That is the one day work of A and B. If you cross multiply this 15, you will be getting 15x plus 15y equal to 1. This is the second equation. Children, after that in the question it was already mentioned that A's one day work is 1.5 times the one day work of B. So A's one day work was X. 1.5 times means if you change that 1.5 into improper fraction, that will be 3 by 2, and one day work of B is Y. So the third equation that is formed is X is equal to 3 by 2 Y. That is the one day work of A is equal to 3 by 2 times of one day work of B. If you cross multiply, you can get the fourth equation as 2x is equal to 3y. Now I have decided to solve this particular question by substitution method. So I am substituting the value of X from equation 3, that is this equation, in equation 2, that is the equation that I have framed on the back side, that is 15x plus 15y is equal to 1. This is the second equation. So in this equation I'm going to substitute the value of X as 3 by 2y. So 15 into 3 by 2y plus 15y is equal to 1. If you multiply, you will be getting 45y upon 2 plus 15y equal to 1. On taking out the LCM, it will be 45y plus 30y upon 2 equal to 1. And then after that, if you cross multiply, it will be 75y is equal to 2, and y value will be 2 upon 75. Now since this y is actually the B's one day work, and we know B's one day work is 2 by 75, but there's a formula that is one day work is equal to 1 upon total number of days. So that means if we know the one day work of any person, that is like of B, we know 2 upon 75 equal to 1 upon total number of days. So by cross multiplying, you can get the total number of days of in which the B will complete the work. So that will be 75 upon 2, and that will be equal to 37 1 by 2 days. That means in this much time B alone can do the piece of work. Similarly, we know the equation 3, that is X is equal to 3 by 2y. In this, if we are going to substitute the value of this y, that is coming out to be 2 upon 75. This is the value of y that is coming out to be. So it will be 3 upon 2 into 2 upon 75. 2 and 2 will be cancelled. 3 ones are and 3 25s are cancelled. So therefore, the value of X will come out to be 1 by 25. Now, as we know the formula of one day work, that is one day work is equal to 1 upon total number of days. So 1 upon 25 was actually the one day work of A, it was coming out to be. So in one day work part, I have substituted 1 upon 25 equal to 1 upon total number of days. And on cross multiplying, again you will be getting the total number of days in which A can complete the work, that will be 25. And in this way we can get the answer.